A beautiful site extends your restaurant's online identity, making it easy for diners to find your menu, location and hours, or make a reservation. Many people check to quickly confirm your restaurant's location or see if you're currently open. The footer is a great place to promote your profiles by connecting your social media accounts and displaying icons. Use the menu block to create multiple menus that blend with your site's design. Refer to the formatting help on tips to design and organize your menus.
With the power of Tock, you can seamlessly manage reservations, events, takeout, and delivery all in one place. You can set up reservations or an events block to connect your website with Tock.
Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.